The benefits of RCM. A lot can be achieved when reliability-centered maintenance is applied correctly with the right people. Obviously, it can be used to develop an optimized maintenance program, but oftentimes, organizations apply RCM to solve a specific problem. Maybe an organization is expecting a piece of equipment to do something that it can't. Maybe unnecessary maintenance tasks are being done that are destabilizing otherwise stable systems. Perhaps the technically incorrect maintenance is being done. Or maybe there are a lack of or poor operating and training procedures in place. Any one of these issues can lead to chronic equipment failure, and that creates safety and environmental issues, increased costs, unnecessary downtime, lost production, and missed missions. But when we perform reliability-centered maintenance the right way with the right people, we can get these issues under control. How? Because we start by writing functions where we get clear about what we need from our equipment. In other words, we establish the kind of reliability that we want. Recall we said that we manage physical assets at the failure mode level. That's why we write failure modes, because that allows us to determine what would stop us from getting the reliability we say we need. Then we use the rest of the RCM process to formulate solutions. See, reliability-centered maintenance naturally manages these issues. With RCM, we determine what we need to do to get the required level of safety and environmental integrity we want. We optimize our proactive maintenance. We eliminate unnecessary downtime. Finally, meet production goals, achieve missions, and memorialize the expertise of our equipment experts before they either leave the organization or retire. And so much more.